You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.